Hello. I promised when I did the haul with this in it that we would do this and test and see how good that the Crafter Square little diamond painting keychains were. This is the first time I've opened it, so we'll find out if everything that we need's in here. We do have a picture of what it's supposed to look like and a picture of what's supposed to be in here. The design, the keychain, the little pin that moves the diamonds, a sorter, some wax, and it looks like there's about 5 colors of little diamonds in here. It says lay out the canvas sheet on a clean surface. Well, our canvas sheet is, okay, that's, oh, okay. We don't have a canvas sheet. We have a little wooden thing with a nice little circle on it. The symbols on your printed chart correspond with the labels on your diamonds. Okay, so there's the keychain part. The diamonds do have numbers on them, 1 through 5. You will need to match the corresponding colors of the diamonds to the symbols on your canvas and place them accordingly. Choose a single colored diamond to start with and pour a small number of diamonds in the tray. Gently shake the tray and the diamonds will settle with the right side facing up, which makes it easy to pick them up with the applicator. Peel back a small section of the protective film. Keep most of the canvas covered while you're working on it. Peel back the protective sheet of wax square and dip the tip of the applicator to pick up some wax. Pick up a diamond and carefully press it into the corresponding symbol on the canvas sheet. Add wax if the applicator doesn't pick up the diamonds. Okay, well, here's the thing. It doesn't tell me exactly how to transfer this to, I wonder if this is double sticky. No. Okay. It is double sticky. When you peel this back, there's a second. Okay, let me explain it better because that's not sounding right. There's a sticker. This is the sticker. It is stuck to a carrier sheet that, if you look, there's a really thin layer. Well, then there's sticky on top of that part, but there's not sticky on top of this part. But when you take it, it actually peels off the white part. So what we apparently have to do is transfer this to this. And that doesn't say you have to do that in the directions, but that's what we're going to have to do. And I guess we could put this on either side of, whether we want our little hole on this side or on this side, it wouldn't matter. Okay, we're going to leave it right there. Now, I have learned over time, anything that's supposed to be sticky, if you burnish it real well, it helps with the sticky. So that's what we're going to do. And then what they're talking about, only peeling back the protective sheet, they're talking about only peeling back a little of this as you work with the sticky diamonds to stick the diamonds down. So, and this is the same kind of tool that comes in some of the more expensive kits, and so is the little tray. So for $1.25, the tools are very much the same. Nice big chunk of wax. Okay, the ones which are the outline kind of thing are black, and the twos are the pink. So I think taking these apart might be the best way to deal with them. Okay. All right, I've got wax in my tool, and I'm just going to peel back just a little bit of this at one time and keep it held in place. And I'm just going to work through this and so that I can speed it up, and I'll talk to you at the end when we get finished. Okay, guys. It took me maybe 25-30 minutes to do this. Um, it 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 worked just as nicely. All the parts and pieces seem just as nice as one of the more expensive kits I've done. I have not done a ton of diamond painting. Uh, it's fiddly and it's, possibly not my favorite thing to do, but a small project is actually kind of fun. The background piece on this is really cute. By putting the jump ring on here and making it into a keychain piece, you could easily attach it to a journal, which I think would be cool. I think the reason I picked this up was to use it as a journal jewelry kind of thing. And it'd be really cute on any kind of, spring type journal. All of the supplies are just as nice as the more expensive kits that I bought. So for $1.25, I would give this a very good rating. I think that there's plenty of diamonds left in the packages. The tools, the wax was really nice. It all worked beautifully. So I'm kind of hoping they come out with some more small kits. They had four different kinds. The butterfly was the only one that really interested me, but that's just me. I think that hopefully they'll come out with a few more little kits like this. It'll be great. So go have fun, make some art. Bye bye.